While I'm waiting for your fucking response, are you just not gonna say anything, dumbass?
Know what's inside you unless you test yourself. Don't do 1 push-up. Do 100. Don't run 1 mile. Run a marathon. Don't have 1 family. Have a 2nd family all the way across the country. Don't just have a 2nd family. Have a 3rd family in Santa Fe with an alternative lifestyle. Don't spend any time with the first 2 families. Make a commitment to family number 3 and double down by announcing it at his war hero father's retirement party. Don't go to the funeral, because remember, you got 2 other families to deal with and a marathon to train for. Don't just let Kenneth walk out of your life. Take his life from him. Don't just go to jail. Go to death row by killing the 2 other families. Don't just let anyone have their closure by apologizing. Send a message that you're not afraid of hell.